Just a quick overview of AutomateMyTask. You can learn more about it at the link above my head. All right, next we're going to cover the capturing and recapturing of your pixels, and then displaying the matches and using the index as well. So you activate this. I'm going to hit either F1 or F2 to do a mouse or a set text function. I'm going to hit F1 because I'm going to pretend I want to click this. You move over what you want, move it away. Now it's set it, and I'm going to zoom in just on this W to clarify this is exactly what I want. Now I can say display matches. Holy cow, there's 7 of them, right? And we know there's 7 rows. So if I wanted to, let's say, move it to the, let's do a mouse move to the 4th item, I can change this to the 4th index, and when I hit test, it moves it to the 4th. If I change this to the 7th, it will move it down to the 7th, right? So keep in mind, if there's something in front of the other stuff, let's see how this does. Now there's only 4, so suddenly my 7th one would no longer be 7, right? So you got to keep that in mind, that the index might change if you have something covered. And something like this, obviously we might lose some of these, but sometimes there's often, more than one thing found, and this way allows you to get a later, not just necessarily the first find on it. So that's on using the match index and adjusting for that.